Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the OmeTV Assistant Chrome Extension. With this extension, you can filter countries and use several other useful features. So first, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Then search for OmeTV Assistant and add the extension to your Chrome browser. After that, open the OmeTV website. Now, open the OmeTV Assistant extension and set it up. So you can enable auto escape, which automatically escapes users from the blocked countries and connects you only with people from your selected countries. Then you can change the auto escape speed if you want. After that, add the countries you want to block so you won't be connected with users from those countries. You can also add countries to only countries. So you will be connected only with users from those selected countries. Then you can use the arrow keys to skip or stop chats, and you can also customize these shortcut keys if you want. After that, go back to OmeTV, choose your country or all countries and start chatting. Just make sure you don't select any countries that you have already added to block list or non-selected countries in the extension. Otherwise, it won't connect properly. So that's it. Now you can enjoy chatting with strangers from only the countries you choose. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.